Okay? So, we will determine by inspection yung mga roots ng quadratic equation na to. We all know na hindi pa natin alam yung roots nito, pero may given tayo na quadratic equation. So, gamitin na natin yung information kanina. Of course, we want to identify the A, which is 1, B, that is negative 3, C, we have negative 28. Okay? So, meron tayong A, B, and C. The first thing is kunin muna natin yung sum ng roots. We all know that the sum of the roots, ito yung formula. So, root 1 plus root 2 equals negative B over A. Okay, by default, yan ang gagamitin natin formula. Actually, may proving yan pero for this particular discussion, hindi ko muna siya ipapakita sa inyo. But we want to find this sum of the two roots. Okay, for us to do that, we have negative pa rin dyan. Ito yun. And we have B. B is negative 3. Lalagay natin dito with parenthesis na. Over A, we have 1. Okay? So, simplifying this one, negative times negative, that is positive. Okay? When you multiply this one, that is positive. 3 divided by 1, we have 3. Okay? So, the sum of the two roots is 3. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang dalawang roots nito, yung quadratic equation na to, kapag pinag-add down natin, that is 3. Okay? So, di ba? We have the sum. Now, we have the roots naman na product. Okay? We will use the same information. We have root 1 times root 2. Okay? So, root 1 and times root 2 is equal to C over A. Okay? So, our C here is negative 28. Right? So, negative 28, ang lalagay ko dito, over A, that is 1. And when you simplify negative 28 divided by 1, which will give us negative 28. And the product of the two roots, okay, is negative 28. Imagine mo meron kang dalawang roots, pag minag-multiply mo to yung negative 28. So, ito na nga, no? This is our roots, or sum and product of the roots. Or the roots of the equation are, of this equation, kapag sinold natin, is 7. Okay, pakita ko na sa inyo. Yung root 1 is 7. Root 2 is negative 4. Okay? So, pwede ka na mag-isip, no? Gamit ng mga information na ito, mag-iisip ka na lang, no? Ano kaya yung dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply, negative 28 yung lalabas. Tapos, kapag pinag-add natin, positive 3 ang lalabas. So, ganyan ang gagawin natin ngayon. Now, when you check that, actually, when you plug in all those roots, mag-i-equate pa rin yan sa 0. And, tignan natin, no? Para mas ma-imagine natin paano ba yung nangyayari dun. So, we have root 1 plus root 2. Okay? Root 1 is 7 plus root 2, we have negative 4. And that is positive 3. Okay? Ito yun. Yung product naman ng dalawang root, for example, we have this one, root 1 and root 2. No, that's not plus. It's multiplied. Okay, 7 times negative 4, that is equivalent to negative 28. Okay? So, ito yun, no? Sum and product of the two roots. Okay? So, just imagine, you can use pala itong method na to para ma-identify mo na yung dalawang roots. Okay? So, the next example would be like this.